everybody, I was just looking at my YouTube today and we are at 759 subscribers. I'm so close to getting to my goal of 1,000. And I'm thinking between this gift card giveaway and maybe one or two more, I'm actually going to be able to hit YouTube's monetization criteria. So I have to thank everybody who has participated so far and won. The last few people have been excellent. They've got back to me really quick. I can't stress this enough. If you get entered into this, please watch the comments, turn on the little bell button, subscribe to the channel. Don't remove yourself or you're not going to be able to see when I comment back that you've won. Like I said, we've got so much progress doing these. I am so excited, so happy, and it really thrills me to be able to do this back for you guys because you give me so much in return. You have no idea. Every time I refresh my YouTube and I see all the extra subs that I get overnight, it really thrills me. Thank you everybody for participating. Please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel to be entered to win this $25 gift card. Thanks.
Behind me, you'll see a car.